Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will explore the CSS display property, which is fundamental for controlling how elements are rendered on a web page. Understanding how to manipulate the display property will help you create more flexible and responsive layouts. Episode 20, Display Element in CSS. What is the display property? The display property in CSS determines how an element is displayed on the web page. It can take several values, but the most commonly used ones are block, inline, inline block, none, flex, grid. Common display values. 1 block, an element with display block will take up the full width available, and a new line will be started after it. Common examples include div, h1, p, etc. 2 inline, an element with display inline will only take up as much width as necessary and will not start a new line. Examples include span, a, etc. 3 inline block, this value allows the element to be formatted like an inline element, but you can set width and height. It combines features of both block and inline. 4 none, this value removes the element from the flow of the document. It will not be displayed at all. 5 flex, this value enables a flex container, allowing for flexible layouts. 6 grid, this value enables a grid container, allowing for complex layouts. Example code. Here's a simple example demonstrating different display properties. Explanation of the example. Block element, the first div with the class block occupies the full width. Inline elements, the span elements are inline, meaning they stay on the same line. Inline block elements, the 2 div elements with the class inline block are displayed inline but can have specified widths and heights. Hidden element, the div with class hidden is not rendered at all. Flexbox, the flex container uses flexbox to arrange its children in a row. Grid, the grid container arranges its children in a grid layout. Conclusion. The display property is a powerful tool in CSS for controlling the layout of elements on a web page. Mastering this property will significantly enhance your ability to create intuitive and responsive designs. Be sure to experiment with different values and observe how they affect the layout of your elements.